Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair. Guys, our mission here at the garage is to save you guys as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos, guys. Let's go ahead and start on it now. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're gonna show you how to remove and replace front door speakers on a Volkswagen Jetta MK6 or Golf MK6. Stay with us, we're gonna show you how to remove the door panel now, and we're gonna get to the speaker and show you how to replace it. First thing, there is a hidden screw bolt that we need to show you guys where it is. With a prying tool we need to remove the master window switches. Okay, like that. You have to be careful because that is very fragile. There is a couple clips here and there. And one more there. So now we need to remove the wires. That could be tricky too. Get a screwdriver, push all the way out like that, and they will just come out. Master window switch is out. And now we have one bolt right here, you can see, with a T30. That's the one we're talking about. That it's pretty hidden there. Okay, that's the one, that bolt right there. And next we have one screw on the bottom of the door panel with a T20 there. Okay, go ahead and remove that one. After that, with a prying tool, guys, we need to start somewhere to get it loose. There is quite a few clips. Once we remove the door panel, we'll show you where they are, so you know what to expect, guys, and know where to apply a little bit more pressure. Okay, it's coming loose now. So that will be the same procedure for the right side as well. We're demonstrating on the left one because there is more switches and it's a little bit more complicated here. Okay, a couple there. Okay guys, next we need to remove that trim right here. So if you get it started okay with a prying tool, it comes out in a very weird way, to be honest with you. Okay, let's see if we can figure it out. It slides towards the back once you get it out. Okay, it slides towards the back. And we have a bolt right here, as you can see, a hidden bolt. They like to do that on that MK6. Everything is hidden for the door panels. With the same T30 we need to remove that one. Okay guys, we forgot, we almost messed up, so well, we mess up, we save you trouble, guys. There is a clip right there. That's a plastic cap that you need to remove, and underneath it there is another bolt. Okay, the same with the T30. So you know where that one is now. That's good to check out before you start taking apart, because you know what to expect and it saves you quite a bit of trouble. And you just pull it out now, guys. We need to disconnect the wires and the cables, which is very limited room here. Trying to do my best to show you how to do that now. Okay, this is for the light here on the side. Okay, so we need to remove that wire there first. You can see that's for the mirrors and for the power locks. Trying to make a video here through the window, guys, so you can see, because the wires are super short and we don't get enough room to remove them. Okay, we gained a little bit now. And what we will need to do, disconnect the wire down there for the trunk release. And all we have left is the one that I was trying to do like 5 minutes ago right here. Okay, super limited space. They don't give you much to work with. Okay, if you turn it like that. Okay, let's see how this one. Okay, you pick it up and pull it. Okay, so that one right here, you need to pull this thing up and then you pull it. That's the lock, the inner door handle. Pull it out like that. Those are easy to install. That's the panel, guys. Those are the clips right here. 1, 2, 3, 4. You can see 5, 6 clips there. One is missing from ours. You can see it stayed here. So we'll show you how to remove that thing now. Okay, you need to get just the no, okay, like that, the whole clip, and we're just going to go ahead and install it on the panel now. And all you have to do, just install it on the door panel like that. You can see that's what it looks like from the back. So that's how you guys remove the door panel. Alright guys, so once you remove the door panel, next thing we'll need to remove the wires for the speaker. You need to press both of those in. Okay, you can see those. Both of them need to go in and pull it out. And unfortunately, Volkswagen, they use rivets. So you need to now drill the rivets. We're gonna get a little bit probably about the same size drill bit as the head of the rivet. Okay, one is out. Second one is out, guys, just like that. And sometimes they get stuck. Third one, and we have one more to go after that. Okay, now if you grab it, you'll probably come out. It's still a little bit stuck, so we need to help it a little bit because the rivets are still holding a little bit. Okay, it's actually glued there. There is a seal. Okay, you can see like a double-sided tape. So we'll need to clean that one. Okay guys, and that's the speaker right here. That's how you remove it. A little bit complicated, not like bolts and screws. You unfortunately have to use a drill to drill the rivets, so that way you can install new ones when you get the new speaker. So we're gonna hammer the rest of the rivets out. This is very thin metal, so if it bends you can pull it back. Okay, and with a screwdriver we're gonna clean them like that. And make sure you remove the heads from the back, because otherwise it will be really noisy in the door. And we have one more on the bottom there. Okay, we removed that one as well. And now you can guys use either rivets or bigger screws. If you guys don't have rivets or a rivet gun, you can use a little bit bigger screws like we're going to use in our case. We have a rivet gun, but we want to show you, you know, like if you're just doing that and you don't have all the tools and you want to replace that speaker, okay, you can use bigger screws like that, and they're gonna work pretty good. We used them in the past. There will be no vibrations. If you use a double tape, it will be better behind it. Okay, like that, you can see how tight that thing got. It's not going anywhere. Install 3 more, all 4 of them, and that'll be the whole procedure, guys. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more videos. So guys, hopefully the video was helpful. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to let us know. Now check out our YouTube channels, guys. We have more than 19,000 free repair videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. That's why we make these absolutely free videos. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching, and see you guys next time.